We're in Helen, Georgia, Wishing Mouth, the two of them, the duo right here. So we're here to ride
Roller coaster.
a roller coaster. Not any roller coaster, the Georgia mountain coaster. Right here on the Chattahoochee, where it's hotter than
And a hoochie coochie.
So let's go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sure.
let's go ride. We have lockers for you outside of the main entrance. Right, here's the tickets. They got a little seating area out here for you after you climb the hill. Let's see, let's go check out the lobby here. I don't know how long this place has been here. So let's go check in and ride this thing before it gets dark.
So phone recording is not recommended.
You can go first.
All right. Period.
Now you can let go, it's automatic.
Let's go. All right. We gotta push these levers forward at first. So damn.